Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my evening speed cleaning routine. So these are just things that I do every night before I go to bed. It's by no way means a deep clean, it's more of just putting things back where they belong, giving everything a bit of a wipe and a clean down, so when I wake up tomorrow morning it's not a complete mess and it just looks quite clean and livable, because it's horrible waking up when your house is a mess. So yes, I'm going to be showing you the things I do this evening. I'm going to show you each room beforehand so you can see how messy it is, and then I'll do the time lapse of me cleaning. I love watching these kind of videos. I feel like they really motivate me and they're just quite satisfying to watch as well, so I thought I would do one myself. So I just got in from work a few hours ago. I finished work at 4 o'clock. I was really lucky. My cousin had my little boy today and she left the house relatively tidy, so thank you. But I'm going to go around and just do a bit of a clean up. So last night I finished work at around midnight and I started at 4 p.m. that afternoon, so I didn't get the hour to do my speed clean last night, and then I would have done it this morning, but I then went into work early this morning. So I feel like the house has not been cleaned in sort of like a day, so I'm now going to go around and just do everything this evening, and then I'm planning on tomorrow doing like a super deep clean organizing day. So yeah, I'm probably going to film that as well. But if you like today's video, please leave a big thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you, and let's get on with the video. So as you come into the front room, it's not overly messy, but all of George's toys are on the floor. The sofas look a bit of a mess, and so do the curtains. George's high chair is here from where he had dinner earlier. And then as you come over into the dining room, George has just got his tent and tunnel out, which I put away. And the table's relatively tidy. There's just a few toys and mugs and things on there. So yes, the first room I'm going to be tackling is the living room and the dining room. Okay, so that is the front room all organised and cleaned. I've plumped all the sofas, all of George's toys are away. I've hoovered all throughout the dining room and the living room. And over here I've put everything away from the table, and I've also cleaned up George's high chair and George's table and things, and I've put his tent away. Sorry, I feel really out of breath and I'm a bit shiny because I've been working really hard. And I put my hair up because it's getting quite hot in the house. So my next room to tackle is the kitchen. So I will show you what state the kitchen is in. Okay, so this is the state of the kitchen. So like I said, I've just made dinner for myself and my partner, and we're going to have that when he gets home from work a little bit later. So I think I've just got a few baby bottles over here that I want to wash up, and some bits from dinner that I need to put away. I've just finished making dinner. I'll just show you what I made. So I made a lasagna. I know it doesn't look particularly appetizing on camera, but I make it once a week, so I think it will taste all right. And we'll just have that with some garlic bread and some salad. So yes, the next room I'm going to tackle is the kitchen. Okay, so this is the kitchen finished. So as you can see, all the surfaces are now clean. I've washed up George's nighttime milk bottles. I've hoovered and bleached the floor. I've left the bucket there for the moment because I don't want to tread on the floor because I don't want to get bleachy stains all over my carpet. So once the floor is dry, then I will move the mop bucket back into the conservatory where it goes. So the last room I'm going to clean this evening is my bathroom, and it's not too bad. George just had a bath, so some of his toys are all over the bath, and I'm just going to bleach the toilet and have a bit of a quick clean up, but I will show you what mess the bathroom is in before I start. I'm having to be quiet because George is just in the room next door me and I can hear him stirring, so I think he is still asleep. But as you walk in, I've just got George's toys here and some of our toiletries and things that I need to just reorganise and have a wipe down. The sink and the toilet, I just want to give them a bleach and a bit of a clean up, and then up here we just have a few things I just want to organise a little bit more. that is the bathroom all organised and tidy. So like I said, I've just organised up here, down here, and then just bleached around down here as well. So that is my evening speed cleaning routine finished. So like I say, it's not a deep clean, it's just like a bit of a tidy up, so the house is nice and clean for when we go to bed and when we wake up in the morning. So my partner's just texted me saying he's on his way home, so I'm just preheating the oven to cook the lasagna, and I'm going to get the garlic bread in as well. And now the house is clean, I'm looking forward to having a bath. I think I'm gonna maybe edit a video and also just sit down, watch some TV and just eat some good food. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please leave a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, I'd love to have you. I'm really enjoying filming these videos for you guys at the moment. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you, bye.